How to resolve water pump not working properly in Once Human. If you're experiencing issues with your water pump in Once Human, here are some potential solutions and troubleshooting tips based on player experiences and guides. Common issues and fixes: pipes not transporting water. Players have reported that water pipes sometimes fail to transport water even when correctly connected. If your setup was previously functioning and has since stopped, it may be a bug. Moving your base slightly has helped some players resolve similar issues. Pump placement and connection. Ensure that your big water pump is placed directly on the ground, as it pulls dirty water from the ground and will not work if placed on a foundation. The small water pump should be positioned above the big pump and connected properly. Power supply. Confirm that all pumps and filters are powered. If pumps are not receiving power, they may not function correctly. If you encounter a missing fuel message, try scrapping and rebuilding the pump in the same location. Gravity and flow direction. The flow direction of water can be affected by the elevation of your pumps. Ensure that your water storage tanks and filters are at lower elevations than the pumps. If the flow direction is incorrect, it may prevent water from moving through the pipes. Rebuilding pumps. If the pumps are not working, consider dismantling and rebuilding them. This has resolved issues for some players who encountered similar problems. Check for bugs. As the game is still being updated, bugs may arise. If you've checked all connections and placements and it still doesn't work, it might be a temporary bug that could be fixed in a future update. By following these guidelines, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with your water pump system in Once Human.